Hello everybody, sorry about that, my camera died, so there might be two parts to this, there might not be. But anyway, we're back to this. Pulling this off. So, there. Okay, now you see what I was meaning. Just pull this off. You see what I was meaning? There's these things here that were in the way of the hole that I was planning on putting it at. So what I need to do is put a hole just down in the center there. So I have to be careful or else I could cut through a fuse and then I guess this series is about over. Because I have another, but I do have another one. Do that. Okay, now that's in place. Now what I have to do, get that over down there. Here, get this. I don't know how well you can see it, but there is a hole right there. Probably not the best quality because I can't see it on my camera very much good, but it's there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open up smoke walls made in China. Don't remember where I got them from, so don't. And I will tell you right now, these things are all placed. You can get all these things at a fireworks stand. So there's gonna be no real actual suppliers. Let me see. This has green fuse. These are 3-second fuses for about an inch. So this fuse is an inch long. So this fuse will have 1 second. Now these things run, this will have 3 seconds, and then the time it takes to fire off actually. These things will run, I think, about 3 seconds too. And once they do that, I think this blows fire and then smokes. Either that or it smokes and then it blows fire. Either one. But it's going to be like that around. So we're going to be putting it in this hole. And I know you guys are going to say it, but I'm not going to. And I know you know what I was thinking about too. So this will go here. For that, duct tape. Yes, I know we're using a lot of duct tape. It doesn't seem right, but we will be using a lot of duct tape. Because duct tape is a man's best friend when it comes to fireworks. For y'all that didn't know that, now you do. And like I said, do not try this at home. Because if you burn down your house, it's not my fault. So you can't come back and blame me. Now you have to make sure you get this in there just enough, but not too much. Because you want to make sure that you still have enough of the fuse for you to have some time. Now we got that. Now if you trust that that's good, I'm noticing that this thing is, take this, fold those back in, take everything, you click it back in the way it's designed. You see, all back to normal. Nothing wrong. So now, let's flip it over. Now, we're to the stage that we gotta put this old thing over this. And this ain't gonna be that hard. But you have to make sure you don't mess anything up in the process. Now, you have to set it up right, because this will be like that. So, about any way you set it will be correct. So I'm setting it like that, but before we do that, just pop open these firecrackers. Okay. Blockbusters. No, I'm not using no whatever they're called. I'm not using none of those fancy types. I'm using just the straight ones that your parents will buy you. Or if you're older, okay, I'll try to get it those here. So bigger and better ones up. But I don't have any M80s. I don't know that stuff here. Alright. Now this will not go up here. It will go back here. That is why we have to pay even more attention to this. We want these to go off when we want them to, not when they choose to. It's kind of weird to be saying, but we do. Now these have a green fuse too. And it's about an inch long, so it is 3 seconds. So what we're gonna do is take some, I think, I do not know. Thinking about taking some more duct tape, lining it from there to there, so we can put our firecrackers in. But I don't know, because I want to put them. They are quite long, so that's why. I guess they will work how I want them to. So, just cover up the fuses. You don't really need to cover up much more than just the fuses themselves, because you don't want those fuses setting off these, because that's not what you want to accomplish with them. Now, I don't know how flammable or fire retardant more is like it duct tape is. So, if anything happened, this thing could just catch fire and could all go off strong. But, you know, there's always a little risk playing around with fireworks. You gotta know that. Now, like I said, I'm doing this blind too, so I could have just took off the fuses that I needed, or not, or could have got them covered how I wanted. So these, gotta figure out how to put them that top will fit back over them too, as I drop the firecrackers. Those will go in there somewhat. You know, I'll push them forward so they'll fuses will hit about here. But I don't know. I think I'm not running out of time yet. So let's kind of hurry this up a bit. And I'll tell you what right now. Anyone watching this, never rush when it comes to fireworks. If you mess up, you want to make sure that you're not in a hurry. You want to make sure that you got everything looking nice, because I'm making this look all spot on. Alright, now you see, it's running like that. So I'm gonna get